Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Deals here, and today I'm going to talk about a project called Investlium, yeah? And this project claims that they pay you 40% daily, okay? So of course I am going to do a scam check, yeah? And first of all guys, let me show you, if you would be able to make 14% daily, if you would just start with $100, interest rate 14%, after 4 months you would have, let me show you guys, $838 million, okay? So do you think if anybody would have the skill to make 40% daily, they would make such a homepage or such a project and would ask you for your money if they would make 838 million after 4 months? Think about it guys, okay? So first of all, we are going to check, is there a white paper? Then has the contract been audited? Has the team been KYC'd? Okay, so let's check it guys. First of all, there's no link to a white paper or anything, okay, up here. So yeah, open an account, make a deposit, They don't say anything about the business model, because how can they make 14% daily? How is it possible? If anybody would have the skills, as you've seen before, you would make 838 million after 4 months, okay? So there is no, let me show you, there's no link to a white paper, so they don't tell you anything about how they should make the money, yeah? And there is no contract address, yeah? The number that they put here is just any random number. If there would be a contract address, we could type it in on BSC scan and we could see exactly how much money is in the contract, okay? This is just any random number they put here. And as you see, there's also no who we are, there's no one, yeah, okay? You don't see any name. So the contract has not been audited, okay? The team has not been KYC'd. There's no white paper that don't tell you anything how this should be anyhow sustainable, because it's not at all. As you can see here, these are the 3 different plans. 40% daily, that's crazy guys. Know us more, okay? I mean, if this would be some legitimate project, there would be a picture, there would be names, all of this, yeah? But as you can see, none of this is here. So this is just another Ponzi scheme. That means if you would invest in it and there are existing investors, they would take your funds to pay the rewards of the existing users, and once this stops, all collapses. And anyway guys, this is not sustainable because there's no business model behind it. It's just a Ponzi scheme, yeah? And one day they will just rug pull whatever is in the contract, they will just take the money and run, and you have no idea who was it, because you have no idea who is behind this project guys, okay? So just another Ponzi scheme and another scam guys, yeah? Don't fall for this. As always guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest your own money. But this is just another good investment. If you like this video guys, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.